Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a police car with just all these Lego bricks, which is very hard, but I can do it. But actually, the next one will be making a fire truck, and this is what it looks like. It's not a truck, but it's the patrol. Okay, so let's make her ready. So here I'm starting with the wheels. The wheels will be just here, which is one quarter down, which is this block. So let's just not talk about it. Now we're headed to the hard part, which is the body, which is very naughty. Because every time they will say I am naughty. Because I keep doing this to you, naughty. Just kidding. You're not naughty. Just kidding. Or do you want me to repeat this video? Nah. Now we just need another top. We're gonna make it here. I will do this. And we're already almost done. So here's the front, here's the back, here's the inside. Now here's the siren. Here's the next one. There's something. There's a no. Okay, I found it. Now here on the back we'll make the siren again. And here we go. Our police car is a stupid dun. Dun dun dun. Baka buka koka. And if you think it's too fat, then let me know in the comments how many blocks should I make the body, or should I make this higher? Okay, I would say. But anyway, do you want me to make the fire engine?
Yes.
He's so tight.
Yes.
Okay. Then, will you really want me?
Yes, please.
Why do you need to say a please?
Just do it.
Okay. Next one. This is what it looks like. Destroy. Bomb. Bomber. Or bomber. Or stupid bomber. Or bomber. Let me just do a quick foot back. Bang. Okay. He's okay. Hold So now we officially destroyed our stupid fire engine. So now it's time to put a move. Okay, this time this is the finale. And then we'll connect it with this red blocks this time. Then we'll just personally destroy this and make the windsuit already. So, is this worth it? Or do you want me to destroy all this hard work and make it in the dustbin? Just kidding. Okay, so do not look at this one and okay. Okay, so now we're almost done with our attack stars. Attack stars. Don't want me to work it. Attack stars. 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 Here is the grand finale soon. Okay, and there we go. This is the grand finale of autumn. This is the Terminator. Terminator. Ow. Do you want me to show you? Okay, this is the funny scar. And this is the Who is that? Who is that? So now here is the can actually and this is just the next of our transformer. I'm gonna make it soon, and if you love the channel, I'll make the taxi. Okay, Sunday. Okay, so now we have officially put our stupid taxi pieces, and now it's time to board. And so now we're gonna make it. So this is the best split. So we're connecting them like this. We'll have 4 wheels. This time we're connecting them this. Okay. So let's do here. Okay. Disgusting pizzas. Then we'll use them again right here. I'm not using the black today. Okay, folks, because no black. Brook. Okay. Bum. Tam. Look, I made this pattern in the meatball. And now we'll make the top. Officially done with our stupid car. It's not a taxi, okay? Because it looks stupid. Here. And also, here is the stupid windbreaker. Ow! Took another time. So now, these are the official 3 cars we made. And this is actually my phone. While making my phone something. And this is my fake phone of Lego. And this is my Lego scissors. You can open it. Bang! It's a real Lego scissors. Okay, this one. Oh, my phone is ringing. Let's see who's calling. What is the passcode? Tell me what is the passcode. Tell me what is the passcode, subscribers. Tell me. Oh, it's 0. Okay. Destroy this phone. This phone is not working. Okay, this is the passcode. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay, this is the passcode. And now, this is the phone. And these are the things we built in our this. Oh, it's upside down. In this video. Oh no, the phone standing. And put it there. Okay, look, this is what it looks like. Boom. Look. Okay, and this is the final mark. And channel, please subscribe and like this video. It's the end of the video as I just set around. And look like this. Stay good. Bye. Destroy this one.